Penang cops call witnesses over alleged COVID-19 vaccine scam. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to support my channel. Penang police received 6 reports in connection with the allegedly bogus vaccine donation offer. State Police Chief Datuk Sahabudin Abd Manan said the reports were lodged by individuals representing several political parties and one from the Chief Minister's office since last Wednesday. He said investigations into the matter were carried out by the State Commercial Investigation Department under Section 420 and Section 511 of the Penal Code. Investigations are still in the early stages and several more actions need to be taken, including recording statements from the company in question, as well as witnesses from the National COVID-19 Immunization Programs (NIP) office and the Chief Minister's office. We also need to contact the company in question to confirm the status of its registration as well as the role of the person who wrote the letter. Investigation papers will be handed over to the State Prosecution Office's Director for advice and views once all necessary actions have been taken, he said today. Coordinating Minister for the NIP Khairi Jamaluddin, in a press conference conducted virtually on Wednesday, alleged that the offer to donate and pay for the supply of 2 million doses of the COVID-19 Sinovac vaccine to the Penang government was made by a bogus private company. The conclusion that the offer was a scam was made after a search on the private company allegedly based in Hong Kong showed it did not exist. The Science, Technology and Innovation Minister also said that based on checks conducted by his ministry, he could conclude the offer letter shown by Penang Chief Minister Chow Kon Yeow at a press conference was a scam, bogus and not true at all. Chow's predecessor, Lim Guan Eng, said in the same press conference that he was shocked the Health Ministry had not approved Penang's request to accept the donation of the 2 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine. Among the things Lim said was that Penang should just accept the vaccine donation and not wait for approval, and to accept whatever punishment meted out on him later, if any. Following Lim's outburst, netizens took to social media to bash the federal government. Subsequently, a man claiming to be Yong Chi Kong, the person said to have made the offer to donate the vaccines to Penang, had in a telephone interview with an English news portal claimed that he offered the vaccine to Sabah but did not receive a response. He claimed Penang then approached him and said since Sabah had rejected the offer, why not offer it to them? He had also claimed that the letter bearing his signature was written by the Penang DAP to be presented as a formal offer and that it unfortunately carried his private address and not that of a company. Chow had said it was a serious and baseless allegation and that Penang DAP had never written the alleged letter. Sahabudin said the modus operandi of the case was that the suspect, who claimed to be a representative of Shintai Development Enterprise Limited, is believed to have attempted to cheat the Penang government with the offer of 2 million doses of Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine, probably non-existent. Initial investigations also found that the person who wrote the offer letter was not the managing director of Shintai Development Enterprise Limited, as stated in the offer letter. The writer was merely a representative of Shintai Development Enterprise Limited, who was appointed verbally. The writer had confirmed that it was his signature in the offer letter sent to the Chief Minister's office, he added. Thank you for watching, please support my channel, like, share and subscribe.